Hello, folks. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all happy, healthy, and wealthy. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to properly use MetaMask wallet. This is a cryptocurrency wallet, actually a browser-based wallet. Here, I'm going to explain step by step how to properly use it and how to set up and yeah, how to transfer cryptos to and from MetaMask. Actually, there is another video I will link in the description, which is about the top 5 wallets. So you can watch that one as well if you're new to the crypto, and it can help you a lot. Of course, MetaMask is one of the top 5 wallets. In here specifically, we are going to explain how to use MetaMask properly. Okay, let's move on. What we are going to cover. First, we will have an introduction to MetaMask wallet, and then we are going to set up, and we will add token, and then we will add a new network to the wallet, and then we are going to cover how to buy cryptos. Of course, there are two methods here. One is we can use the built-in exchange, and there are some third parties apps integrated with the MetaMask, so we can use them, and we can use external exchanges. So we will cover both of them, and then we're going to add contacts to the wallet, and we are going to explain how to send crypto from MetaMask to other wallets. And at the end, we're going to discuss the MetaMask and dApps, decentralized applications. Alright. First of all, what is MetaMask? Introduction to MetaMask. We can say it is a browser-based wallet. Can be used as a browser extension on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Brave browser, and also Microsoft Edge. It has a smartphone application also for Android and iPhone, but it is mostly used as a browser extension. This wallet is acting like the bridge between the Ethereum blockchain and the standard browser. So since it is an Ethereum based wallet, it is good for the Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, not good for storing lots of other coins. It's directly linked with Coinbase, OpenSea, which is really a big marketplace for the NFTs, and some other platforms. It's really handy, and we'll cover some of this stuff in MetaMask and dApps, so how they are integrated with those decentralized applications. And another characteristics of MetaMask is it has active developers constantly updating the source code, which is really good. And it is integrated with DEX, decentralized exchange, and Ethereum based apps like OpenSea. So as I mentioned earlier, it's integrated with OpenSea, Infinity, Bitcoin, Uniswap, and easily we can take advantage of decentralized finance with this wallet. And of course, you can explore the dApp system and the other blockchains like Polygon and Binance Smart Chain and Avalanche. You can connect hardware wallets as well if you have a Ledger or Trezor wallet, so you can connect them to MetaMask and use. And the only thing that you need to consider while using MetaMask, just make sure you're downloading the real application, the real browser extension, not the fake one. If you're using for the mobile, downloading from App Store or Google Store or any, just make sure that you're downloading the actual app. And the first thing that you need to set up is you need to go to the website and download the browser extension. You just go to website metamask.io, and here you need to download. You need to download the application if you're using for the Chrome, iOS, and Android. It can support these 4 browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Microsoft Edge. Install it and create your wallet. After downloading and installing the extension, then you will have 2 options for the first time you open MetaMask. First, you can import a wallet if you have already a wallet, or create a wallet. So here I have already created my wallet. I am going to just log in and then move on to the next steps. Click on the extension and type your password. Alright, I'm just logged in, and now I can click here and expand view so I can see everything clearly. And wanting to change, just click on the extensions, go to the MetaMask, click on this, and this can read and change the site data, so it's better to select this one when you click on the extension. Other times, so it will collect some data when you're browsing, so some specific data related to the transactions and stuff you do. So just select this one when you click on the extension and just keep it like that. Alright, so this is the wallet. I don't have any Ethereum here or any crypto, just using this for the purpose of this tutorial. And if you are creating a new wallet on MetaMask, so just click create a new wallet and just follow all the step-by-step process, save all the informations and the password. And at the end, one thing you need to consider is just to back up your secret phrase. It is very important, and it's 12 words seed phrases. You need to back up, you need to write it on a paper or just copy it in several places. Normally it's recommended to keep them offline, write it on a piece of paper and just keep it safe. If you lose this key phrase, so MetaMask cannot help you to restore it. So make sure that your secret phrase is safe and sound. Alright, after creating your wallet, after logging to your wallet, so just you can set up some settings. Let's go to wallet, just click on this icon. You can go to settings, check the settings here, just follow and see if they are according to your needs or no. The primary currency is Ethereum. If you go to advanced, you can sync it with your mobile. You can download the application on your mobile and just you can sync the wallet with your mobile. You can reset the account. It will just reset all the settings and stuff and show the test networks. It's okay, and yeah, just check the contact, add new contact, we will cover it later. And the security and privacy, here you can reveal your secret recovery key, recovery phrase. Again, just reveal it and just type it. Network, we will just cover it later, we will add new networks. And yeah, let's go to the wallet homepage. Adding new token. By default, you can see only Ethereum is available, so this is the only token, the only asset we have, and we can add more tokens. The way to do is just you can go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and you can find your token. You can copy the contract address and then you can click add token in MetaMask and paste the address. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to one of these, okay, CoinGecko, or we can go to CoinMarketCap. To any of them, you can see all the tokens are here. Just scroll down and find your token. For example, we can add Polygon. Click on that. Here it is, the contract. Just click copy. You can copy the address or you can just activate MetaMask directly. You can add from here. So I just copy the address. I go to import tokens and you can paste the address right here. You can see Matic network token and click next, import token. Yes, you can see here we have Matic now. Here we can send, we can swap. The next thing we do is we can add a new whole network. So by default we have only here the Ethereum mainnet. So let me hide this, all the test nets here. Yeah, you can see by default we have only Ethereum mainnet. So we can add different kinds of networks like Polygon, like Binance Smart Chain, like Avalanche, or any other blockchains. The way to do that is just click add network. Okay, yeah, here are certain details that you need to fill it. The network name, the RPC URL. RPC is just remote procedure calling, something like that, and it's just the interface which gives you the permission, gives your wallet the capability to interact with certain blockchain. With the chain ID, currency symbol, and the block explorer. In here we are going to add let's say Binance or Avalanche. These details are available. You can go to the website, the project docs of a specific network, and you can find these details. In here, I will put the link in the description. You can go to my website. For some of these networks, I collected all the details and I just put them in one place. Go to the journals here, connecting new networks to MetaMask wallet. Scroll down. In here, you can add Binance Smart Chain network to MetaMask, and the details for the Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum are available here. So we can add one of these networks. In here we are adding, for example, Polygon network. The name is Polygon mainnet. Let me close these extra windows. And we have the RPC URL. The chain ID 137. And Matic is the currency symbol. Alright, just click save. Yes, you can see we have the Polygon right here, and we have the Ethereum mainnet, we have the Polygon, and just same case you can add any other networks. 4 of them, the details are here, and the others you can just find on the websites. Alright, so next thing is to buy crypto, to buy Ethereum or any crypto you need. There are 2 methods to deposit crypto to your wallet. The first one is you can use a built-in exchange. It has a little bit high fee, of course, and another one is to transfer from an exchange like Coinbase, FTX, Uniswap, Binance, or any other exchanges. Okay, let's go and see how does it work. We are on the Matic Polygon, so just let me select the Ethereum mainnet. In here, click buy. In here there are 3 methods available. You can just select one of them. If you use the wire, click wire. You can use your credit card or debit card to buy Ethereum. The amount $100 is okay. $100 will be around 0.03 Ethereum, and you can buy using credit card or debit card. You can see the details here, the exchange rate, and this is the transaction fee and the network fee. So overall around $6 there will be fee for buying $100 worth of Ethereum. So just click and click next. Here you need to fill the details and your credit card or debit card details, so you can just buy. This is the first method. And another method which I recommend is transferring crypto from an exchange. You can go to your account on an exchange like Binance, Uniswap, FTX, or Coinbase, or any other exchange. You can click withdraw. First, of course, you need to have some cryptos there, then you can withdraw to another wallet. And you can just copy the address. This is the address for your wallet on MetaMask. So just copy the address. You can go and withdraw, then click the address. You can paste the address in your exchange account, and you can withdraw all the amounts or as much as you want to your MetaMask wallet. There will be gas fee also, but it is much lower than if you use the built-in exchange within the MetaMask. This is another method, and this is recommended. And another topic that we're going to cover is sending crypto. You can send crypto from using MetaMask wallet, but before that we need to just add a contact. Just go to settings. In here you can click contact. You can add those contacts. You can add specific wallet addresses, public addresses. So in here I can go to my Exodus wallet. For example, Ethereum. I want to add my Ethereum address to my MetaMask. I just click receive, and here is the address. I just copy the address. I go back and click add. Paste the address here. You can give a name like Exodus Ethereum address. That's alright, and click save. Alright, so sending crypto. The first thing, you need to get the recipient Ethereum public address or any other crypto. You can add the contact, or you can just simply use directly the address without saving the contact list. Check the gas fee. You can use Ethereum gas station and then send your amount. Just let's go to MetaMask wallet. In here, let's say you are sending some Ethereum to another address. Click send. In here you can just paste directly the address, or you can select any of these addresses you have already saved here, and you can send the amount of Ethereum you want. So there will be gas fee. For the gas fee, so in order to make sure that you are not overpaying, you can go to Ethereum gas stations. In here you can see the gas fees for different kinds of Ethereum tokens. At the moment the base fee is 0.99 per transfer, and there are different methods: fast, standard, and slow or fast. Just check the gas station and to make sure that you're not overpaying for the transactions and gas fees. Alright, so MetaMask with dApps. This is completely another. I am gonna make another video about that you can connect your MetaMask wallet with decentralized applications and Web3s. There are a lot of platforms like OpenSea, which is a very famous NFT marketplace. There are a lot of DEXs, decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and gaming platforms. You can directly link your MetaMask wallet. For example, if we go to OpenSea.io, in here you just you can click create, and you can see the MetaMask is the famous one. You just can connect to your wallet with the OpenSea, and you can take advantage of it. About the MetaMask and dApps, decentralized applications, I'm gonna make a new video, and just make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And please, if it was useful, please hit the like button, and it will help the channel to grow according to the YouTube algorithm. And if there is any issue, just comment below. And if you're using MetaMask or any other wallet, comment below and share your ideas that which wallet you're using and how they're working, their advantages, pros and cons, and yeah. And thank you very much. Safe investing, and have a great time.